Innovation Management Case Analysis Amazon. First, it's important to know that innovation can be defined as the introduction of something new. It can be a new idea, a new product, method, or even a device. Also, innovation is often viewed as the application of better solutions that brings novelty to a specific market. In the business world, innovation takes place through the provision of more effective products, processes, services, technologies, or business models. Okay, so according to the 10 types of innovation, they can be divided in 3 different categories. First are configuration. These types of innovation are focused on the innermost workings on an enterprise. In this category, we have profit model, network, structure, and process. The second category is offering, and these types of innovation are focused on an enterprise core product or service, or a collection of its products and services. Here we have product performance and product system. And the last one, that is experience, in these types of innovations are focused on more customer-facing elements of an enterprise and its business systems. In this category we got service, channel, brand, and customer engagement. Okay, so using the 10 types of framework can be useful to diagnose and enrich any innovation, or even to analyze existing competition. This helps to identify the main spot errors of omission or missing dimensions that will make a concept stronger. Okay, so now talking a little bit about Amazon. This is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company based in Seattle on Washington. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in July 5 of 1994. This platform is the largest internet store in the world. The company has changed the way people live and shop, but when it comes to innovation, Amazon stands apart from others because of some pretty unique cultural elements that make it a perfect place for cultivating innovation. Okay, now which kind of innovation supports Amazon value proposition? Okay, so I identified that channel innovations are the ones that support Amazon. And I'm going to tell you later why. So first, channel innovations encompass all the way that you connect your company offerings with your customers and users. While e-commerce has emerged as a dominant force in the recent years, traditional channels such as physical stores are still important, particularly when it comes to creating immersive experiences. Also, innovators in this type of innovation often find multiple but complementary ways to bring their products and services to customers. Their goal is to ensure that the users can buy what they want when and how they want it, with minimal friction and cost and maximum delight. Okay, so now why Amazon is a channel innovation? So this category of innovation is concerned with the delivery of the product and services to the customers. And this is what Amazon does. So the delivery channel that they have can be physical or an online one as well. What matters is how well it is able to connect the customer with the product. Amazon is always finding a new and a more efficient method of channeling your product and your services to other buyers, and also channeling the products of what they sell to the customers. Okay, now the tactics related to the 10 types of innovation that Amazon implemented. So I find that they implemented 6 that are go direct, cross-selling, diversification, flagship stores, multi-level marketing, and non-traditional channels. So first I'm going to talk a little bit about what each of these tactics mean, and then I'm going to tell you how Amazon applied them. So first, go direct is the way that they skip traditional retail channels and connect directly with customers. The second one, that is cross-selling, is to add and expand into a new or different channel. Okay, so the next one, that is diversification, is to offer appealing additional products, services, or information that will enhance an experience in situations where customers are likely to want to buy them. The next one, that is flagship stores, are create a retail outlet to showcase quintessential brand and product attributes. The next one, that is multi-level marketing. In this one, focuses on sell bulk or packaged goods to an affiliated but independent sales force that turns around and sells it for you. And the last one is not traditional channels, that this one employ novel and relevant avenues to reach and service customers. Okay, so now how Amazon apply those tactics. So first, in Go Direct, Amazon has developed a range of helpful tools that users can employ to track packages and quickly return or exchange order items, bringing simplicity and convenience to their online shopping experience. The next one, that is cross-selling. In this one, Amazon involves offering their customers a product from a different category than the original purchase, and they provide to their customers with even a greater benefit and or advantage. The next one, that is diversification. In here, is starting off as an online bookstore. Amazon now carries products in music, books, electronics, health, and beauty. Also, people can buy grocery in their website and clothing. The next tactic, that is flagship stores. In here, Amazon optimized existing channels and they improve the purchase process and remove friction between their products and the customers. In multi-level marketing, Amazon pays a smaller commission percentage to people users that are able to convert products or services into sales by uploading their offerings on the website. And the last tactic that Amazon implements is the non-traditional channels. In here, social media is another powerful tool that they use, and they employ it to engage with shoppers and enhance the quality of its customer service. Okay, so what is the future of Amazon? So Amazon offers a platform that serves their customers in the fastest and best possible way. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos says that their customers are loyal to them until somebody else offers them a better service. So Amazon is trying to take an advantage of this. So instead of trying to fight it, they turn it into a motivational force that drives the entire company and spark a great stream of creativity first. Here is the reason why Amazon is that one brand worldwide which can fulfill demand and close the loop on the transaction and delivery of their products, and by owning the end-to-end process of selling these commodities. It has afforded the company a war chest, mind share, and the potential to grow even bigger and better. Okay, so to conclude, I think that Amazon will expand and grow every year, offering individuals websites, software development centers, customer service centers, and fulfillment centers in many locations around the world. And also, I think that Amazon will keep trying to attend and fulfill users' needs and demands, trying to expand their brand and become even better.